Imagine waking up to this amount of money every single month from running an Instagram team page without even you showing your face. As you can see from my screen right now, this page here is an Instagram theme page that has gained millions of followers in the last few years. And if you look closely at the post, you can see that this page is faceless, meaning that this particular business model I'm about to share with you would allow you to generate thousands of dollars without you getting in front of the camera or even doing the heavy lifting yourself. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can start an Instagram theme page from scratch without showing your face and how to turn it into a money-making machine. So let's get into it. Now, the first things first, what is an Instagram theme page? Now, an Instagram theme page is basically a page focused on one specific topic or niche. It could be memes, it could be fitness, quotes, travel, food, or even animals. However, the first thing you want to do is pick the right niche. Now, you need to know that your niche is the foundation of your theme page. And if you pick the wrong one, it's going to be hard to grow and make money. So just follow me as I'm going to be revealing 3 key factors right now to consider when choosing your niche. Now, the first thing to consider is passion or interest. So the first thing you want to do is you want to pick something you are interested or passionate about. This is because you are going to be spending a lot of time on this page. And if you do not care about the topic you pick, it's going to feel hard or like a chore. So if you love dogs, you can start a page about dogs. So if you look at this theme page is basically all about dogs. And if you are into fitness, you can go for fitness tips or workout inspiration. For example, this Instagram page here, you can see it's basically mostly faceless, and you can see it's all about fitness motivation and workout inspiration. Now, the next thing to consider is the audience demand. Now, you want to make sure there is an audience for your niche. You want something that people are already searching for and engaging with. For example, it could be motivational quotes. For example, if you look at this Instagram page, this is all about motivation. Or it could be travel destinations. For example, this is an Instagram theme page niched down to travel destinations. It could also be health tip. You want to go for niches that are really popular and are high in demand. You can also use things like Instagram search bar or hashtags to see what is trending. Now, the third thing you want to consider is the monetization potential. Now, you want to think how you can make money about the niche, because the end goal is not about having the largest followers, but having to make the most money from your hard work. And the truth is, some niches are easier to monetize than others. For example, a fitness page can promote workout programs or supplements, while a travel page like this can partner with hotels or even travel agency. You want to always ask yourself, can I sell something or can I partner with brands in this niche? That is super important. Now, once you have considered all these 3 factors and you have eventually picked your niche, the next thing is you want to set up your page. And here's a simple, quick step-by-step guide that will help you in setting up your page rightly. The first thing you want to do is you want to create an Instagram account, obviously, if you do not have already. And one important thing when setting up an Instagram theme page account is choosing a username. And you want to choose a username that is easy to remember and relates to your niche. For example, this is an Instagram theme page all about travel destination. You can see the name is World Travel MS Joy. So something that relates to your niche. You also want to make sure that your bio clearly explains what your page is all about. And it should include a call to action like follow me for daily fitness tips or whatever your niche is. For example, you can see follow me on a magical journey. We want to make yours a bit more detailed than this. You can see this a bit more detailed, and you can see join the gang. That's a call to action. By the way, if you are finding this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell icon so when next I drop another helpful video, YouTube will notify you first. Now, the next step in setting up your Instagram theme page is designing your profile. Now, your profile picture should match your niche. This is just for it to amplify your niche. For example, if it's a travel page, you want to use a stunning landscape photo. For example, you can see this. This is a very perfect example. And if it's a meme page, you want to go for something funny and something eye-catching. Now, the third thing to consider when setting up your Instagram theme page is high quality content. Now, you want to post content that your audience will love. Now, to create your content, you can leverage AI tools like InVideo AI. And if you go to InVideo AI, you can see that it has an option where you can simply give it a topic, a premise, or a detailed instruction in any language and ask it to generate your video. So this is where you want to put in a prompt, and I will suggest that you put it as detailed prompt as possible, because with AI tools, the more detailed the prompt is, the better the result. Below, you can simply narrow down to the kind of videos you want, whether you want to create a short video, you want to create an explainer video, you want to create an animated film, or let's say you already have a script and you want to put it there, you can also do that. Here's an example of a video under a Make Money Online niche, a video that I created with InVideo AI.
I bet you didn't know making money online could be this easy. Let's explore 3 quick ways to boost your income in 2024. First up, freelancing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr let you turn your skills into cash, whether you're writing, designing, or coding. Just create a profile, set your rates, and watch the gigs roll in. Next, consider dropshipping. This e-commerce model lets you sell products without ever touching them. Partner with a supplier, set up your online store, and start marketing.
So you can see how amazing this video is, and all I had to do is simply give it a brief, small prompt. And this is very useful. However, in order to leverage the features, in order to remove the watermark, get high quality downloads, you need to subscribe to the paid plan. However, it is completely free to try out and to test out. Another way to create content like this, for example, if you look at this Instagram team page, you can see they mostly do more of written content, and this content are gaining a lot of visibility. You can see this particular one has 18.3k likes. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do this, and the first thing you want to do is script this content. You want to head over to ChatGPT and simply give ChatGPT a prompt. You can say, you are my content scriptwriter. I'm trying to start an Instagram team page on, let's say your niche is health and fitness. You want to fill in your niche here. Give me 10 topic ideas that I can create content on Canva with. Now, the content should be relatable, you should use simple grammar, and it should provide value. And now ChatGPT has gone ahead to give us content ideas, and you can see all of these amazing content ideas. And here's what you're going to do next. You're going to tell ChatGPT, give me the content details for the first one, or it could be the second one, or it could be the sixth one, whichever it is. And ChatGPT is going to go ahead and give you this. Now, this is the script you want to use in creating your content. Now, next thing you want to do is you want to head over to Canva. So you want to go and type into Instagram fitness post, because we are making use of health and fitness as our niche for the purpose of this video. And now Canva is going to give you template that are streamlined to fitness posts. So now we are going to be making use of this. So we can click on this, and we can click customize this template. Now, this is a video. You can also make it a slide. Canva has other beautiful, amazing free templates that you can leverage on. Now, what we want to do is we want to take out all of the excesses we do not need. For example, this, we'll take out this, we want to take out this, and we can simply put in our very first slide. We'll head over to ChatGPT. You want to copy that, you want to head over to Canva, and you want to paste. Or we can make it much more relatable and say small habits that will make a big difference in your life. We can make this bold. And the next thing we want to do is we want to duplicate this. We want to go over to ChatGPT and copy the next slide. We head over to Canva and we are going to paste it. Make this bolder. We can make this italic, and we can reduce the font. Put it here, so we can delete this. We can go ahead and, of course, duplicate this page. We'll do the same thing for the next slide. So we're just going to copy and paste just the same way we did for the previous slide. So we're doing for the last slide. I want to copy, I want to paste here. We copy this, and we want to paste here. Now, you want to take a little more time in creating your content, because your content are what people see, and your content will determine if people will keep coming back or they will just swipe away. So now this is how our video should look like when we're done. So you can see this is amazing, and this took less than 5 minutes. So you can post this to your Instagram team page and of course add probably a trending audio to it just to, enhance the value it's giving. Another way you can create content is by simply repurposing trending contents that are doing well in your niche. So for example, you search for hashtag fitness and you want to look for contents that are really doing well. You can see all these contents here and you can repurpose them and post. However, always make sure to give credit to whoever it is due. Very important. Now, to be able to grow fast with your Instagram theme page, you should aim to post at least 1 to 2 posts per day to keep your audience engaged. Also, you want to engage with your audience by replying to comments and DMs and also engaging on other similar posts under your niche just so that you can also pull as much audience as you can. Now, do not also forget to collaborate with other pages in your niche and also cross-promote each other. Now, once you have built a decent following and you have quite some audience coming back to engage with your post, you want to start thinking of monetizing. Now, here are a few ways to make money from your Instagram team page, and the first one will be through affiliate marketing. Now, you can promote products or services related to your niche and earn a commission from every sale. For example, this dog Instagram team page can decide to promote dog food and share their affiliate links. And once they get any sale, they will receive a commission. Another way you can make money from your Instagram theme page is by sponsored posts. Now, brands will pay you to promote their products on your page, and the bigger your following, the more you can charge. Now, the third way to make money from your Instagram team page is to sell your own products or services. For example, if you create something like an ebook, a course, or even merch, your team page is the perfect place to promote it. Now, starting an Instagram team page may take some time to grow, but if you stay consistent and focus on your niche, the results will eventually come. You just need to pick a niche you love, you need to post great content and watch the magic happen. Now, I have attached a video on how you can get started with affiliate marketing, which is crucial for monetization of your team page because as you start growing, you need to start earning. So if that interests you, click on the video you see on the screen right now and go check that out.